Hello friends, welcome to Anu&Lavu talk show. I am Anu. Today I am going to teach you how to make a rocket with a paper. You don't need any scissors or anything. So friends, first you should fold it like this. Then from the fold you should do it like this. On the other side also same thing you should apply. You should do it like this. Then turn the page. Now do it like this, friends. Friends, after doing this, you should take this over here and fold it nicely. Now fold it backward. Now friends, you can see this one and this one. You should fold it like this. On the other side also you should fold it like this. After doing this, friends, you should turn the page like this. Turn it backward. Turn backward from this side also, friends. Friends, after this, our rocket is finished. You should fill air and fly it. If you like my video, please like my channel and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.